Hey guys, let me know if you can see, if you can hear. Andrew Ladd is ready to go. Magua is in Arizona. Can you guys see Andrew Ladd here? He wants to break this box. Let me know in the chat. Sweet. You guys ready to go? Crow. Oh, Crow. I messed up. Yeah, I sent him the wrong email. No biggie. You'll get one. I'll get you one. Alright guys, let's get this started. As I said, I got some ball to play with my buddy who's coming over. My wife's at a Tupperware party, so actually it's over for Ottawa. Hopefully. Did they finish it off? Last I saw was 2-1 with a few minutes left. Cheering for New York all the way, now that Chicago's out of it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Tupperware parties. It's like a cult. Although they could say the same thing about our cards. So. Alright, you guys, I'm going to start recording here. And then we are going to get this thing underway. Yeah, Mike's here. Self-disturb. I had to pick your team for you. There was only 2 left. Yeah, it was between Dallas and Phoenix, so I gave you the Stars. Magua got kind of ripped off in the randomization. He had 1, 2, 3, 4 of the last 8 spots. Alright, so let's start recording here, and then we'll get going. Good evening, everyone. This is Teeks643BoxBreaks.com, and this is our free member appreciation bonus. We do one of these a month, at least, and today we're doing certified for the good 643 members. Before we pick a box to open here, I'm going to spin the 643 double play bonus wheel, and Subterfuge has donated a team in his next box break, so whatever team it lands on, you're going to get that team for free in Subterfuge certified break. So here we go. Good luck, you guys. The free team is going to be classic, the Winnipeg Jets. Alright, so that is, let's check the team list here for this break, and that's J-Dubs is going to get the Winnipeg Jets in Mike's break. J-Dubs has the most unreal luck on the bonus wheel. So here is your list of teams, you guys. If you can see, from top to bottom, these are your teams for this break. And I'll let you guys pick a box of certified. I've got 4 here. I'm not going to read all the serials. I made sure that my 643 serial number is not in there. So I'll let you guys pick box number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's do our votes here. 1 vote per person, please. Got 2 votes for 3 and 2 for 4 in the chat. Another vote for 3. Another vote for 4. Okay, come on, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a tie-break vote here. What was the middle one? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're going to go with 4. So we'll get this one out of the way. And here we go. Serial number ends in 6-1. Bit of a glare there, but it is 861 on the serial number. Sorry, 961. There we go, 886961. Good luck to everyone. Shoot, I don't have my scissors or my scalpel, but we'll make do here. Jerry's not with me today, so excuse the camera work. Here's your packs. Andrew Ladd will hold on to them for us. And good luck to everybody. Here we go. Sorry, Dubs or Dugster, no trivia today. All right, Ryan Miller. Not a hot box. Ryan Miller for the Sabres. Taylor Hall for the Oilers. Matthias Tedenby for New Jersey. Masked Marbles for the Nashville Predators. It's Pekka Rinne. And so that'll go to John Bull 86. Spacer. And Ilya Bryzgalov for the Coyotes. Pack number 2. I actually thought of a nice little, I'm going to make a hinge system for when I do breaks by myself in BC, so that I can swing it between the cards and the 643 wheel. Alright, Steve Mason, Milan Hajduk, Mark Giordano, a Redemption, Spacer, and Stephen Weiss for the Panthers. The Redemption is a freshman signatures, number 191. And I'm sure I don't even need to look at the checklist, but I'll say it just in case. Number 191, of course, is Zach Rinaldo for the Philadelphia Flyers. And Philadelphia in this break was the first overall pick for Maguire. So he's got another Rinaldo redemption. I know he's already got one of those. All right. Pack number 3. From what I've seen on 24/7, Ronaldo seems like a nice kid. All right, David Krejci for Boston. Teddy Purcell for Tampa Bay. Eric Stahl for Carolina. A red mirror for the Anaheim Ducks, and that is Phyllis, I believe. Anaheim, yep, Felix Victoria for the Ducks. That is Corey Perry, number 185 out of 199. I picked a bad spot with that light in the background there. There we go. Nice little certified tower to block it out. Spacer and Gino. Good one, Moggs. Alright, something in this one, memorabilia-wise. Cam Ward for Carolina. Mike Fisher for Nashville. Ovi for the Caps. There's Teemu Selanne for the Ducks. Bobby Lou, soon to be a Leaf. Gonna have to pump his tires as a Leafs fan. I don't know how I feel about that yet with that contract, but we'll see. The jersey is a very nice Carolina Hurricanes jersey number of Brandon Sutter, number 16 for the Carolina Hurricanes, and that is numbered out of 25, number 9 out of 25, and Carolina in this break was Mogwai. And I told Mogwai that one of his low crappy teams was going to hit. So number 9 out of 25 for Mogwai. Yeah, 2-hit minimum. Stretch neck Armstrong. Look at that angle with that neck. Corey Perry for the Ducks. Biz Nasty Paul Bissonnette for the Coyotes. Tim Kerr for Mogwai. An Eternals card for the Philadelphia Flyers. Not numbered. Yeah, TJ's at the Winterhawks game right now. Spacer. And Pavel Datsyuk for the Wings. And the Wings are, of course, Crowalicious. We'll send out the base cards to you guys, unless you specifically say you don't want them. For the Flyers, Claude Giroux. Patrick Marleau for the Sharks. Patrick Kane for the Hawks. Antti Niemi, not my auntie, says Subterfuge, for the Sharks. Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings. Hey, number 230 out of 499. As if we haven't seen enough of Carl Klingberg. Rookie die cut for the Winnipeg Jets. Klingberg, nice rookie die cut. Number 230 out of 499. Yeah, there's a lot of these. I've got 2 of them myself. I know J-Dubs has one already, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong. Still sweet-looking cards, though. All right, we got 4 packs to go. Pretty good box for a non-hot box. Oh, that is J-Dub's first one. That's awesome. For a non-hot box to have that jersey number and then the rookie, Nashville. That was Kostitsyn. Alexander Steen for the Blues. Eric Fair for the Winnipeg Jets. An Immortals card of Mario Lemieux for the Pittsburgh Penguins, and that is going to Golf Nut. Spacer. And Johnny F. Bomb Taves. We haven't had a all base pack yet, have we? 3 packs to go. Jeff Skinner, Carolina. Andre Markov for Montreal. Jordan Eberle for the Oil, and I jinxed it. Andy McDonald for the Blues. Spacer. And Thomas Plekanec for the Montreal Canadiens. Sorry, guys. There's got to be one more yet. That's the sad part. Grabner for the Islanders. Oh no, we got something in here too. Chris Letang for the Pens. Travis Zajac for the Devils. Ryan Callahan for the Rangers. Marty St. Louis for Tampa Bay. Hey, nice for Corey Crawford. Wow, what a box. 16 out of 25. An NHL die cut for Corey Crawford, the Chicago Blackhawks, and that is Ask Piper. Nice box. Good choice, you guys. And I gotta say, I thought it was kind of cute that Ask Piper picked Chicago and TJ picked Calgary. That's true love for you. All right, last pack. I'm calling all base. Filppula for the Wings. Alfredson for the Sens. Vinny LeCav for the Lightning. Evander Kane for the Jets. Spacer and Luke Shen for the Maple Leafs. Alright, you guys, that does it for bonus break number 2. We've got the top 25 list already regenerated. For every team on the site that you win counts towards the next free break. So this is for 643boxbreaks.com, courtesy of all the breakers on the site. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will see you on the weekend. Take care, you guys.